Right guys, welcome to another video. Before we quickly go on any further, it has been a while. Just so you know, you can buy these stickers on my shop, link in the description. This is going to be a permanent brand logo on the top. That's going to be on t-shirts and such. This one is going to be here till 10k. It's an oil slick. You can also see the pictures on the website if you want to have a quick look at them. So, what are we doing today, you might ask? And yes, it has been a while. However, I have moved house and I have not got internet yet, so this is why I haven't uploaded. But what I'm going to do now is give you a quick progress update on this gold. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which is on the screen now, then you would have seen obviously the progress already, but obviously not everybody has Instagram. So this is how far I've got so far. As you can see, a little bit different. You know, there's bits that I'm not happy with, which we'll go over, because obviously this channel is all about showing you what I'm not happy with, but it is fixable. It's just me learning from my mistakes. So yeah, here it is. I'm going to go through on this video steps what I'm going to do to obviously make the car mine, which obviously it already is, but obviously things I'm going to change to match it up, my ideas and plans for it. So the reason I've gone back for the pinstripe and for the black strip up the side is the gold was too much on its own. It looked too much of a solid colour. So that is why I have gone for obviously the black pinstripe and the black features. The badges, I think I'm going to try and get them chrome gold. If I can't get them chrome gold, I am going to just black them out completely. These are going because obviously the blue, it's not blue anymore. They will be going, and I'm replacing them with some other stickers that are only going to be exclusive to myself. So yeah, as you can see here, this is done. It looks alright from here, but in this heat, as you can see, what's happened there is the wrap's been put on the car. As it's cooled down at night, it's shrunk itself, so that needs to be replaced. My whole goal is at the minute is just getting the car fully gold. As you can see, the back bumper's not even been done yet, which I'm not too fussed about. My V5C, that needs to well, sorry, that has actually already been changed, so the car is now classed as gold and black according to DVLA. So that's why I want to try and get it all finished, covered with gold as quick as possible, so I can go back and replace some bits. I'm not going to do a montage for this video. I'm just going to literally go over and talk through what everything else. Ignore the indicator surround. I need to put me surround back on because I redid it in gloss black. But yeah, this is basically just a talk through video. The montage will probably be when the whole car's finished. I do have some other things planned for the car. Obviously, I'm going to be doing a mud flaps video soon as well. These are coming off because obviously the blue VXR. I'm going to be fitting some universal mud flaps. I'm going to put my own twist on it, which you guys will see. There will be a full install video on that. I don't know if I'll be able to get any on the front because the front is quite low, so it's really hard for me to actually get anything there. Now, this is what I was talking about by mistakes. See this big nice bubble here? This is obviously what I did to start with. Before I ordered the rest of the wrap, I just wanted to see what it sat like. Now, that was my own mistake. That is going to get replaced. Obviously, like I said, I just want to cover the whole car first before I go any further. The car is dirty as well, by the way. I mean really dirty. So again, I apologise for that. I just haven't had time to clean it. I don't know how good it looks on camera, but I suppose it's, well, if you get closer, look, see the marks, see them? Yeah, that's just dirt, rain. It did rain a little bit, even though we're having a little bit of a heat wave in England. So yeah, but as you can see from a distance here, it looks clean, which I kind of like, really. It looks even better when it is clean. So yeah, I've ordered a new sun strip by Static Decals, exactly the same design, just in a glitter gold instead, make that stand out. So yeah, front grille's done, as you can see. A few extra black bits on it. Strut bars have gone black. You can see inside the door inserts just there, blue, see that blue strip, but the inside of the doors are going to be done all in gloss black, just to make it all blend in. So yeah, this is, like I said, this is just a quick update to obviously let you guys know that don't have Instagram how far I've got with it. It's not a colour that I will want to keep forever. I will say that it's something that I'll probably keep for 6 months to a year, or to a point where I get a bit fed up with it, you know, and I want to change. As I said, I've done it myself, so it's cheaper. I did get a quote for it to have it done at a proper shop, and for what I wanted, this whole design that I've got, they quoted me 15 grand. So yeah, as you can imagine, I've saved myself quite a bit of money here. Don't get me wrong, it's probably not as good as a professional, but still, as you can see on this side, I did learn from my mistakes. Wrapped inside this little dint first, and as you can see, it's actually had no bubbling whatsoever. What I might do is, if you guys are interested, I might do a few tutorials on wrapping certain body parts, panel parts, all that sort of stuff. That might be something I can do later on in a little series, but it's something we can think about. So yeah, on this side as well, up this bit is going to be YouTube logo, so my YouTube name with I think a gold YouTube play button on the side, just to match in with the theme of the car, because I don't think a red one would match at all, so that's why obviously I've gone for the gold. But as you can see, it's constantly shiny, it never loses that, so yeah, that's it's good. I like it. It gets a lot of attention. Some people love it, some people hate it, some people think, why done that to a VXR? And my question is to them is, why not? You know, it's your car, you do what you want, you not there to make other people happy, you are there to make yourself happy. So, you know, it looks pretty decent if you ask me. It's something different, first one in the world. This is a chrome gold Corsa VXR, so why not? We're all here to break records, aren't we? So let's go for it. Interior, I'm not sure what to do with the interior, whether to keep it blue or go a neutral colour, because obviously if I'm going to be changing the colour a lot, then, you know, I don't know. I'm not sure what to do. You'll have to let me know what you guys think. So yeah, we'll leave this one here. Thank you guys for watching. There will be more videos, as I said before. Thank you to everybody that has bought stickers and such. Like I said, if you do want to buy the stickers, link is in the description for that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys hopefully when this one's done.